Assembling and machining project components doesn't have to be a wrestling match. You don't need a third hand, you just need an easy way to support stock while working with the two you already have. Woodpeckers Deluxe Bench Dog Kit offers a variety of support options to complement your grid-drilled workbench. And the bench dogs come in 4 heights designed to provide solid support while staying well below the surface of normal dimensions. When you need a wider clamping area, just drop an extended stop over a pair of dogs. Now you have a 7-inch bearing surface, plus if you have a complicated assembly that needs offset support to keep from falling over, the 1/8-inch bench dogs are threaded to receive adjustable risers. Woodpeckers Deluxe Bench Dog Kit comes in 2 versions, one with 20mm stems for Festool NFT and similar systems, and the other with 3/4-inch stems. The Deluxe Bench Dog Kit from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.